Hello, everyone. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, it's good to have you back. I've got a good one today. If you've seen any of my chicken reviews, specifically with Mary Brown's, and I've also did a couple competitions, I think, with Mary Brown's and KFC, the chicken sandwich and drumsticks, and Mary Brown's is one. I've loved KFC for years, and although Mary Brown's has been near where I live for just about as long as I've been here. I've never ever tried Mary Brown's until this year, but they've blown me away. So today I decided to take the plunge and I downloaded the app. And when I downloaded the app, the first thing I saw was this right here. Yes, app exclusives. Then I scrolled down and I saw this, secret menu items. Today we're going to explore the app exclusive menu. There's one item today, and it consists of a sidekick sandwich. Well, basically, it's your choice of two of their side dishes, and then it comes with two Pepsi and two strawberry cream cheese pies. Now, they're the handheld pies, like an apple crisp or whatever it is that you get at McDonald's. Remember the apple pies? Uh, but all of this for $9.99. So I'm going to get a sidekick sandwich, and I'm going to get the crispy tortillas that are filled with chicken and goodness. And I'm going to take you along with me. Let's go for a ride. Okay, folks, just an update. I forgot to take my stupid phone in with me when I went into Walmart, which is right next door to Mary Brown's. So I'm back in my car. I just placed the order, and just one little quirk about the app that I'm not a fan of is that it's when you're selecting the items, when you get to the pop selection or the soda selection, it doesn't let you just add the can of pop that you're getting. You have to go down and click on the deposit, which there's a standard 5 cent deposit. And I think every province is different. And I shouldn't have to select that. It should be automatic. If you pick the pop, it should add on the deposit. Why should I, as a customer, have to go in and say, yeah, I want to get that deposit, if you know what I mean? So, Mary Brown's, if you're watching this video, make it easy for your customers. Everything about the app is great, but I shouldn't have to click that I want to add deposit to my order. It should come with the pop. Coming up, it's down for a close-up of that food. Stay tuned. Okay, folks, so I just got back from the store. One little bit of feedback for the stores. If your app is saying it's going to be 15 or 20 minutes, think about people driving to get there. It was actually ready in about 7 minutes. So if I would have been driving, it would have taken me 15 minutes to get here. And when I placed the order, it said 20 minutes. I happened to be right by the store, so no biggie, but just something to consider. Sorry if I'm so picky on these. It just, I worked in customer service for almost 30 years before I retired. So, yeah, but look at all of this, $9.99 with taxes, $11.59. That's insane. That's insane. So let's unbox these, and I'll bring you in for a closer look. Stay tuned. So here is what we're dealing with, folks. Now remember, this is from the snack menu, but still, 2 cans of pop. I'm going to go and I'm going to calculate when I get home what all of this would cost individually and add it up to give you the total price. And I'll put it about right here just so you can see what the savings are on this. But look at these. These are called Crispy Twists, and they're filled with chicken and cheesy goodness. And this is a chicken tender. So think of this like a slider. And then I've got some honey mustard sauce to dip it in. We've got the 2 strawberry cheesecake. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look good? Hot dessert. And then I've got 2 cans of Diet Pepsi. I'm a diehard Pepsi fan, always liked it, but trying to eat healthier. I know these food reviews probably go against that. But man, all of this, $9.99, 11 and change. That's a good deal. When you consider that me just getting a hamburger, I'm spending this much money. So let's go in for a taste, folks. Okay, folks, so here we are. We're going to start off first with I think this is, look at that. Oh, the chicken tender in there. Doesn't that look delicious? We're going in. Wow, that's delicious. They call this a sidekick? Mmm. That is delicious. I'm not sure what the sauce is on that. I'll have to look that up. But you can see it's got a creamy type of, it's probably a honey mayo mustard type thing. But this is delicious. So I remember this as a sidekick because in Canada we used to have what was called a Hershey's Sidekick bar. And in the United States, I discovered when I would travel there, they had something called a Reese's Fast Break bar. It was the exact same bar. Now we don't sell the sidekicks anymore in Canada, and we don't have Reese's Fast Break, and it's my favorite bar. We're going into the crispy twist. Let's see if you can see inside the filling there. You can see something way back there. We got to dip it. Some nice honey mustard I got to dip this in. Oh, wow. Delicious. That is delicious, folks. Really, really good. And there's two of these. So this, along with the chicken tender slider, I'm obviously not going to eat both of these, but I'll have one to save for a snack for later. But let's see how the creamy strawberry cream cheese tastes. Amazing. Amazing. I'm blown away. This is a great deal. $9.99 for all of this. And it's variety. It's not, I can go to McDonald's and get a hamburger and it's going to come to more than that, right? Here I'm getting a variety for my lunch. I've got 2 cans of pop that I can take home, and I've got these nice desserts to eat. This is amazing. Mary Brown's, well done on the app exclusive. And I'm speculating that they're going to change this up every once in a while. So I'll be sure to bring you along with me as they do that. And I'm going to go back. I'm going to pick a day next week and I'm going to try their secret menu item. I'm not going to say what it is now because it may change next week. But this is amazing. If you live in the United States and if you're ever in Canada, I'd encourage you to try out Mary Brown's. Or if you're from another country and you're visiting Canada, KFC is pretty much all over the world, and it is delicious. I love KFC. But Mary Brown's takes it to the next level. So if you're ever in Canada, please try it out. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Anyway, thank you very much. I'm going to eat this up before it gets too cold. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. And if you like it, please hit that like button. And please consider, about now you should be seeing stuff popping up. I'd encourage you to check out my channel and view my playlist. There's various ones out there. And if it's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you along for the journey. Thanks for watching. Jamie, signing off.